guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS Song for the Mute SHADOWTURF. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our next reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look of the ADIDAS Song for the Mute, SHADOWTURF. We've got this in the dark and light brown colorway. We got it in UK size 7.5. It's a European 41 1/3 and it's a US 8. So before we get unboxing, I'll show you the box. So this, it has all the Song for the Mute. Well, it says Song for the ADIDAS. So this is in collaboration with the Australian brand Song for the Mute, which is a designer brand out of Sydney. Let's get unboxing. So here it is. The SHADOWTURF silhouette. Very 2000s runner design. Very intriguing as well, like since brown and dark brown colorway. Very heavy on the neutral tones. So we'll start with the outsole. So you got all a rubber outsole. Well, this looks lugs because this is kind of designed with exploration in mind. For the midsole unit, so this midsole is made out of the ADIDAS, which is just Adidas's foam unit that you use for your cushioning. And then the upper, so the upper is made out of an array of textile materials. You can kind of see this kind of ragged design right all around. It's like cut and sew. It's very lightweight as well. Then you got the mesh right there for you. The heel, the tongue, sorry. Very nicely padded. You got this quick lace system with the ADIDAS logo and the Song for the Mute initials just there. At the lateral side, we've got again this textile canvas with the little threads coming out. You've got the free stripe and this like toweling detail right there in the dark brown. Not dark brown, sorry, that's like a greyish, dark grey. And the same is on the medial side, but instead you've got this canvas brown that make the free stripes. Then you look at the lateral side again, you've got the Song for the Mute right there, etched onto the heel. And you look at the actual heel, again, you've got all the mesh detailing, you've got that canvas, the threads, and then you've got the Song for the Mute logo there. And if you look at the insole, so on the right, you've got the Song for the Mute lettering on this foam midsole, insole, and then you've got the ADIDAS logo on the other. It's a really cool design, very lightweight, it's what you want. It's giving me that core vibes, but a bit more sporty. This is the first, I've never heard of Songs for the Mute, so if anyone can let us know in the comment section below about the brands, I'd love to know more about it. I've seen by their aesthetic on their Instagram. It's kind of like, reminds me of like Rick Owens and Fear of God. That's kind of vibe I'm getting because of the neutral tones, the heavy set, like sizing of the clothing as well. It's reminiscent of that. I'd love to know more about the brands, so do inform us in the comment section below. But right now, you've got the ADIDAS SHADOWTURF with the Songs for the Mute collab right here for you. So let's try this on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a half size down to what you typically wear for ADIDAS. I typically wear a UK size 8. This is a UK size 7.5. It's a bit snug, but I feel like that's the way I would like it if I was to do some active stuff, if I was actually to do some trail running in these, because they're a little snug. If I was to get it to my right size, I feel like there will be a little bit of slippage. But these look really cool on. Big shout out to the guys at Songs for the Mute. If you're watching it, we know that you are. Well done. Love what you're doing for Sydney. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.